Hey guys, what's up? It's Joe here, and I want to talk to you about YooTV and YooRewards today. I'm going to put them in the same video because there's not a whole lot for me to talk about. They're basically apps by YooLotto. If you remember YooLotto, most of you probably use YooLotto. But in case you haven't heard of it, I made a video a long time ago about it where they had their unlimited devices program, which is still indefinitely running. You can use unlimited smartphones to make money watching videos. And with YooLotto, they released a few new apps over the years since I've talked about that one. And two of them that are most notable, I think these are actually the only two, are YooTV and YooRewards. And they're pretty close to each other. There's some minor differences I want to go through. As far as the earning goes, it's basically just an alternate thing you can do, which is still technically YooLotto. It's the same system, so the earnings do not differ that much in my experience. Let's talk about YooTV first. So with YooTV, when you get on the app, it's very bare. In fact, this is going to be really quick. It's kind of funny actually. When you get on this app, there's a main menu in the corner, and when you click on it, it just says home and log out, and that's it. And then you have categories, and you can watch the videos in categories. YooLotto actually just changed in a recent update to something like this, where you have to watch through the categories rather than actually watching just the videos where you click watch and be done with it. YooTV is like this. The next one with YooRewards is a little bit different in the fact that they have their own balance and cash out system, and even I think they changed the currency names and they call it YooCoins instead of YooBux on YooLotto. But anyway, with this one, it's still watch and earn. You don't have to click any other videos or categories. I'm using a lot of phones on YooLotto. If you guys want to check out my routine as it has been updated, I have a link where you can check it out on my website. It's just TheTechSlugs.com/routine. Most of you probably seen it. But I updated the interactive. I'm also adding some other ways to display the information. And then I updated my phone count, and I have to do a routine video soon as well. But yeah, these are these two apps. I'm definitely using them in my routine as an alternate to the YooLotto devices I'm using. So overall, a fair amount of YooLotto devices I'm using currently in my routine. But yeah, that's basically it for this. Like I said, there's not a lot for me to talk about with these two apps. Both very similar and both related to YooLotto. So with that being said, hopefully you have seen this app before. I just wanted to mention on the channel for those of you who haven't. Or apps, I guess I should say. Other things that you can check out is the TechSlugs. As I mentioned last week, the TechSlugs still has this promotion where you can earn 10 points on the Engage Me TV videos. I'm leaving that indefinitely. And we're just gonna, it basically came from the spring promotion, but I just decided to leave it there. Another thing that I mentioned as well that I think you should check out is Sync Rewards, something I'm working on with one of the admins over at the Facebook group, Florian. We're just making a website together for fun, and you can earn Satoshis, which is the lowest version of Bitcoin. You can earn Satoshis basically just for watching videos on there. We're also adding other features that you can earn with as well, like mining and other video providers and such. But anyway, that's it for this video. I'll leave a link below where you can check out YooRewards, YooTV, and even YooLotto. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Have fun making money. Thank you for watching this video meant to help you make more money with smartphones and computers. The link above me is a link to my website with the Getting Started series and a cache archive section where you can sort through hundreds of smartphone apps that make you money. Any more specific questions can be directed to me at my contact page or on any of the communities listed this way.